This is going to be the quarter appearing from a dollar trick. Just take a dollar, take a regular quarter, and so you want to do the trick like this. You have a quarter in your hand, you have the dollar. Now, for easier purposes, you take the quarter and you set up the trick like this. Like in the corner area, just go, okay, I have nothing here. Just regular dollar, nothing in here, blah blah blah. And when you're like showing that you have nothing in your fingers or hands, you just kind of, when you want to move to show this hand, you just exchange the quarter as you bend the dollar and move the quarter like that. And then do whatever you want, blah blah blah. Say you have nothing, and just be really smooth about it. And then when you're like, okay, I want to make the quarter appear, you just fold it in half again, and plop it out. Then you have a quarter worked from a regular dollar. So that's quarter appearing from a dollar trick tutorial. So thank you for watching.